Car meet time, baby. Car meet time. I'll catch you guys on the road. Alrighty. What's going on? We're almost there. It's funny, I just passed my buddy's house and he was out. He goes, "Hey, pop a little wheelie." I'm like, I can't, I don't got my traction control off. Yeah, but it's freaking cold out here, guys. It's like 54 degrees. I got like 2 jackets on and shit. I'm trying to get this content in for you guys though, you know? But yeah, I've been seeing people doing like car meets and shit on YouTube with their H2s. I mean, I ain't got an H2, but you know, I'll still go to a car meet with a little R6. I think I know where I'm going. My tires feel weird. I think they're cold. Jake, this battery you gave me dies so fast. I switched one of my GoPro batteries out. Mine was dead, so my buddy gave me another one and it dies so fast. I ordered more though. Let's see what's up here. I don't think there's really any bikes here, but I was like, I'll still pull up. I don't even know where I'm going, to be honest. Oh, maybe I should go left to park? I don't even know. Looks like it's popping though. Let's go. There's hella people here. Dang, good thing I pulled up. It's freezing.
What do you mean by that?
I see a couple of bikers. I'll just pour on in here. Let's see what we got. Alrighty, we're out of here. What's it on? Still pretty warm. Let's just go this way. Alrighty. Had to give him a little song. Gotta wait for my brother. Sheesh. Yes, sir. Alrighty. Shit, I forgot I was even recording. I was too busy having fun out here. These roads are cold, so like I can feel my tires slipping. So I'm gonna take it easy now. But yeah, that was a fun little car meet. A lot of the cars started leaving, so I was like, yeah, I'm out of here. There was like a couple R8s, you know, Sting, Subis, all that good shit. Ferrari. But yeah, hang on. Just GoPro on. But yeah, if you like that video, if you like going to car meets, should leave a thumbs up, comment. I'll go to more. Season is kind of dying though.